Hi everyone and welcome to this channel. My name is Raouf and in today's video I wanted to show you how to create detailed prompts for ChatGPT to generate such design. Alright, now we have just a screenshot that we have grabbed from a website inspiration, and I want to show you how we can create a ChatGPT prompt to generate this design using HTML and CSS. As you know, for ChatGPT to create such design, we have to give it a list of components, styles, fonts, responsive behaviors of our design, and so on. And this will take us so much time to create the right prompt to get such good results. It will take us at least 3 or 5 paragraphs, and we risk that we have not a good enough prompt for ChatGPT. But I find out a way that we can generate that prompt automatically. So I will just take my design, copy as PNG, or just grab from wherever I have the image in my PC, and then I will add it to ChatGPT. Alright, now I will ask ChatGPT to give me a prompt based on this screenshot. So it will analyze it and give me a list of components, styles, alignment, layouts, and so on. Then it will write prompt based on that analysis. So here I have prepared a prompt for just the analyze. So I called image to prompt, and you can find it in the description down below this video, that you can use it on any design screenshot to generate detailed prompt, and next that will design you exactly or as close as that design screenshot. All right, now in my prompt, I'm gonna tell ChatGPT I have a screenshot of a UI design and I want you to analyze it and create a detailed UI design prompt based on the following criteria. Follow the steps to describe the design accurately. So it will analyze the structure, the styles, alignment, interaction, content responsiveness in details. And based on this analysis, generate a detailed UI design prompt that I can use to recreate this design accurately. Now I'm gonna copy this and I will add under my screenshot in ChatGPT. I will hit enter and ChatGPT will create, I'm gonna tell do not create an image because it's sometimes it bug. ChatGPT will create an image based on that. So let's analyze the screenshot you provided and generate a detailed UI design prompt based on the criteria you've listed. So it will actually scan my screenshot and analyze the structure, logo and navbar, hero section, main heading, supporting text, call to action, background. This is basically all the components, and then the color, fonts, shadow effects, corners of my components, and then their alignment in the screenshot, and then it will deduce some interaction like hovers, navbar links, and also for the content, this will be the text content of my components, and also responsive behavior. Next, it will generate UI design prompt. So this is the prompt we want. So we have a choice between using this list of detailed components of our screenshot to generate this hero or header, or we can use just that prompt. I mean, sometimes I use this detailed analyze, and sometimes I use that, and to see and get the best result. Sometimes I get the best result from just the prompt, and sometimes from these analysis. Alright, next what we are going to do is to create a new ChatGPT chat section. Then here I have another prompt that I will provide in the description. So this prompt is just tell ChatGPT to generate an HTML and CSS, generate high quality HTML for a, this is, will just be replaced with a header, the previous design that we have already analyzed, and strictly following the provided components and instruction. Well, this is just resources. I'm going to tell ChatGPT to use pixels for image, Google Fonts, Iconify, placeholder. This is just for assets. And for the output, combine HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is for the output code that ChatGPT is going to provide us. And for our prompts, I'm going to pass it here under components, which will follow the prompt here and also use the assets and give us this output. So I'm gonna copy this one and paste it here, and then I'm gonna add my previous prompt. Let's open a new tab. Alright, so here is the prompt. Just like that. I'm gonna paste the prompt. Alright, now using this method, we're gonna have a close design of the screenshot provided. We'll just generate the HTML of the previous screenshot. I mean, to be fair, ChatGPT will not generate a copy conform, will not transform that screenshot to copy conform design in HTML and CSS, but it will get you 80% of the work done. Then after generating this code, you can always add feedback to ChatGPT to modify some components. Okay, now let's see the final result. Let's copy this code and let's go here in our code editor, and I'm gonna create a new folder, image to HTML, and create a basic index.html, and then paste my code. All right. Let's save, and also let's open in our browser to preview the design. And here we go. Now we have, let's compare it with the previous screenshot. For the previous screenshot, let's go back, and here, as you can see, we don't have a 100 close result, but we have, the components, the buttons, this is the logo, and so on. As you can see, and this is the quote, we didn't write any prompt for this. We let ChatGPT to create its own prompt to create this design based on this, and we can always go back and correct the prompt. For example, let me go back here, and I'm gonna use this analysis instead of this prompt. All right, so this has more details. So let's go here, and I'm gonna just copy this first line, create a modern SaaS. Okay, excuse me, I'm gonna just copy this, then paste it here, and under this I'm gonna pass the detailed analysis, right? This one. All right, here we go. Here is the high quality HTML code for the header, strictly following the provided structure, style, alignment, and direction, content, and the responsiveness guideline. Using also this code, we'll see a better result. And as I told you, ChatGPT can't replicate the design given in screenshot, but you can always increment on it and add some details using ChatGPT feedback, by adding some feedback to ChatGPT, and it will get closer and closer the more feedback you give to ChatGPT. All right, here is the code. Let's copy and Command A to select all, remove, and paste the new code. Let's refresh. We get about the same result, but as you can see, this is our components well aligned. We have issue here. This must be centered, and this is the logo in its place. Also for the background, this is just a color from that ChatGPT grabbed from the background, but it's not right, and this just must be removed. So we can add all those remarks and details to ChatGPT, and it will adjust. Also for the border radius, it's a bit square in the original screenshot here. All right, as you can see, also here. All right, now you can try it with your design or components to generate such detailed prompt, and then adjust and increment and add feedback to ChatGPT to make this prompt better. Thank you so much, and I will see you in another video.